Hey there, Tapper. This is the video on that question you asked me. So it was 1103A. So use the line of best fit to show on this scatter plot. Use the line of best fit shown on this scatter plot, to predict the value of x when y is 36. Okay, so if this is y, so when y is 36, 35, 36, all I need to do is find that point on the line here, 36, and then go across using that point as a reference and find the x value. And using my best estimate, that's when x is equal to 4. Okay, you're not going to get it perfect every time. Find x when y is 73, so you go up the top, 40, 50, 60, 73. I'm saying that there is when y is 73. Go across, try to draw a straight line. It's better if you use a ruler in these cases. So in this case, I would say not defined. Okay, or if you wanted to, you could extend the line of best fit out like that and approximate it. Okay, so about 10.2. Okay, but in this case, the line is not defined there, so I would write that as an answer. Okay, there might be another instance where it says use the equation to find x when y is equal to 73, and in that case what you do is your equation is y is equal to 5.52571x plus 16.649, and so I'm going to change that into this. So you get 73 is equal to 5.257x plus 16.649. Where am I? I want to change color. I don't know how to do that. And then you'd solve that like an equation. So you do the opposite to get rid of that. So it's minus 16.649. So it'd be that minus 16.649. And you get some number, and that number there would be equal to 5.257x, divide by that to both sides, and then you'd have x is equal to some number, divided by 5.257, sorry. And it should approximate to about 4. Okay. If you're unsure about any of this, just reply to my email, and I'll sort it out for you. Thank you.